It was a very high juicy news. Mema Wibia Aquaba Hadia later than hot news and qua Aramedi Bremo. And so we can subscribe to channel idea Bomodia say over subscribe. The way I say over click a subscribe button. Now a barely notification. We understand video for free be uploaded when the first person out what's a Ebeka AS video. I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up now fee. Share ba wo foforo so da when you be here na wo hu ensemo a ekoso Ghana memwa afi yem hwe ye ensemo aba beto yep no so momenti ye sansem ye ekosi ensebo ya beto ja momenti enti de ekoso yi ye bra me 4 plots e wo chado yesi bi nko 50,000 Ghana cedis me ye de bra me bisa no bisa 17 oya we abante bi on no musuma no ba me ho e friend ni me that one number on my phone so. Ni. Oh, if you cannot pay, we will pay for you. Chado asase 1 plot. Antaru, no boy say. Chado asase 1 plot. Kwe say 4. Let's go to 50,000. Manje. Do look at me. Do I look like zombie? Me to say. Mr. Jenjene or Bible muno. Nanka me to agiba. Me wa plot for chado. Kame ya guy o. Kaba na me twa de dewa timba bi ma kame na ato so di mi na me kame kro no ba wonim me nyen heaven ho me ne japade bi a me kwan hye wosoro heaven tipa track bi ani wo de anwea be ko ho brecha ni me si bi ani heaven me de me heaven ni Ghana asa he wo mo tata me sa me pene edu baby Abraham ni maso nka me I should submit any name. They will use it to register the land in my name. I should submit any name. They will use it to submit. I should submit. They will use it to register. Bible say, etwa se nipa wu wechire no enyo nipa ntimi say de ye hu wechire no ya tamuo asa finished. Ebusuafo yi de me pesa me kan say he Ghana ha menyanhia mampani a obetumi fight corruption. Jomama men fa nka ho sesi a because onyandi bosome miensa kora wedi president ni bi da enu atwam but second term we no only 3 months on say me ampa ma yeboko e won so me de twen but me o man we matenem medikufu achi mfie nwotwe ane nam national security architecture no mfie nwotwe ane nam ministries mfie nwotwe enu achi professor Mese ba mininam Mahama ba mininam Nana Addo ba first 4 years mininam ebesi 2021 amba fia ha na bi before time enu kura poda mininam miyin hia o mampani a why ready so be fight corruption me na me catch now. Yeah, when him say Roman rage, Peter, people don't know. Kwame Nkrumah minister be, oji Roman rage more than half of 5. None there. Nidin W, nedi kan o to aso. Oji Kwame Nkrumah cheno. Eji ni na fi ni nsem. Say obeti asasi so. Me ami nuya Sammy Awuku Sani Afenyo MBB former national organizer Sani Afenyo. Okay. Many insano. I'm telling you today. I respect that young guy because I'm a young man. I respect him and Sammy knows I love him. Nana B, I respect him and I love him. Sammy Gyamfi, I respect him and I love him. Okujato, I respect him, I love him. Your friend saying, your friend saying, Jata, Sam George, I respect him and I love him. But watch this. How these guys, all of them put together. Oh, Sammy Gyamfi cried, why you work here, so Sammy Gyamfi out of the equation. Sammy Gyamfi is out of the equation. Because time or PRO or a Kojo Bonsu PRO, okay, me, number Fox FM. So Sammy Gyamfi is out of the equation. Sammy Awuku.
Nanabi. Chataba. Okujato. Omu invest no me adwuma. These four no me adwuma. Sa no kure we ne ken ding. But when nya kukudro wutimi nka. No me adwuma. Adwuma no me. Omu ye school, omu ye adwuma wan. Kuro benzo. Om form pay slip measure. They should come out and show us their pay slips. Me, match me the radio piece, pay slip actually. Otek me the bachelor. Kes Radio me the bachelor. Fox FM me the bachelor. Adom me the bachelor. Angel me the bachelor. Onia me the bachelor. I have a pay slip. One pay slip way. Tell me they should show us their pay slips. But they are the richest young guys in town. Because of what? Politics. I am not saying, sir, we are my Osama. That's not what I'm saying. But it must be done with brains. It is not just bam, 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 boom. No way. It doesn't work like that. It is only in Africa. Me say, Sammy Uncle, Oriel school no yedwa. After national service, or yedwa. Oh, yeah, show me. I'm not attacking you. No. But I don't know. Show us one of your pay slips. One pay slip. It is what I realize here. Say, business administration student is what? Political science student, because people have come to appreciate the fact that as soon as you enter into politics, you become rich. And we think it's normal. It's not normal. It is not. It's not normal. It can never ever be normal. These are the things we want to appreciate in this city. Because what? Captain Smart, we call politics in Oma Dr. Tam that's Skedi. They said Tam that's by force, and so defending Captain Smart. And Kwasem, Yan said him. Political appointment and employment. Listen to me. Political appointment and employment. Because the employer, FAO employee, auto tax, president on tax, vice president on tax. It's a political appointment and employment. It is a obi oni dan before about politics. Nine fear nine or to be see a dying watch here. I see it to be just 6 if in some. Tell me, political appointment and employment. It is a say, Mitway, a Captain Smart, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana, blessed God's Prince Smart, Agiba. Nami dae 4, midinfie na ya, Messi dae 12, 8 in the monje. Esa monje feeling some. I must be able to explain and explain and explain until I can make sense. Say yes, genuinely, until I am able to explain, Jidaino. Jidaino, Ghana pet, oh, and your main way mu pet, and obi obedi MPA onika, Ochi party pickup. 3 years. Now, apart from Land Cruiser, now the loan J, you know. No, cars 6. No, I said 4. Well, brought time I know pay MPA, no. Sa party and first can kwa onye bi nkwaya campaign. ne ye ni agye ne ye te ho okurum ha John me ba ye tama wo ye press conference o Kempiski me ka se me busa question obobia me amenu ba no ho fe sister et say o say captain go and ask question asaba mbebusa won say won amafa aban asase no be and John me train list no Mesimu Kobisa, MPP National Chairman, me, one bring me 4 plots. Me, my catch was a dear minimum ye and Tróuble. Entina, as I me be nipa no be asro me, yes, me who one because me and Tróuble irritate me. Mint me. Ye bring me 4 plots, our child. Yes, me go to 50,000 Ghana cedis. Me ya de bremi bisa no bisa 17 oya we abrante bi on no mo soma no ba me ho friend ni me da one number on my phone so ni oh if you cannot pay we will pay for you chado asase 1 plot antaru ne boy say chado asase 1 plot ko say 4 as me go to 50,000 manje do look at me, do I look like zombie me to say Mr. Jenjentwe na Bible mu no. Nanka me to agiba me wo plot for chado. Kama ya guy o. Kama na me twa de dewa timba bi ma. Kama na to so di mi na me kame kro no. Ba wonim me nyen heaven ho. Me ne Japade bi a me kwa hye wo soro. Heaven tipa track bi ani wo de anhwea be ko ho. Brecha ni me si bi ani heaven. Maybe they me heaven in Ghana. Asa. Wo mo tata me sa me pene. Edu ba bi Abraham ni maso nka me. I should submit any name. They will use it to register the land in my name. I should submit any name. They will use it to submit. I should submit. They will use it to register. Because me kwatna ma bro san so me tesoro odi na me hwe wiem sa ehwana me hu se na abrante na efani Joseph no oyade pa o so otimi dwane Potiphar yere na won waso pasa Bible ntimi mo Potiphar yere din Potiphar yere no hwe na ni di utu se wo no Saturday obedi ama sa Potiphar yere no odi ama I said between Friday and Saturday, sa Potiphar you know. To say ya woni fiada, I say what me that I say be 11:59 or Friday ho na ya de be shame. Mutu sa baya no. Me say Joseph ya de pa. Na me je na me imagine eh Frozen chado. Say the chado ti se si e develop Kojo. Wo 4 plots ho. 50,000 cedis per. Nese media general anye kura no betu akopa besia bosumusu ana ode waketua na tetele nkakrakra 50,000 4 plots eye pawo ba me gina was gindi na me kai asembia Pastor JWK Saki na oprichi ewe Eguabado rally Salt Pond o say sayade dia fe na chew na wenye nyamedwe anka ho a ya beche wo sunsum sa na apostle Pastor JWK Saki kan no awoma kuma mu sa besi na that time na the current general secretary of the Church of Pentecost obobi na me na botwene ya botwene wo Pentecost aso dem bisa no Salt Pond me bo side drum obo party na papa ba ko man kasim dwom ho sesi obo bambu o say said the wiase nyama nyina chew na se wenye nyamedwen anka ho a ya be chew wo sunsum mu e wiase so ya chew wo sunsum mu abra baba wiye because ya chew wo honamani a the only place obekan obetimi seeking refuge sunsum na I translate about the physical it is ya chew wo sunsum mu a refuge no ko hwe ade che ya frame na mse mempe Mese mimpe. menye manje besine e ho na MPP fo hu se no akwa ne se na de no njaye and no suffer for call me to and I don't want to try someone because that boy he has not stopped doing what he wants to do. Almost no, Paddy is on sign. Menji. John, a buying sass and I won't crofon ye giadio. John Mama. Ye a channel says so could you toy a fan saying Foreign Affairs Minister your friend said lawyer Martin Pebu Yaji and Sassy by now as a CRG what dance is why you Julia to a bukwa mu any swat down ho and no nipa be who say you're on mine, you're in your political party. Hey, what do you say? MPP boy, na your one bank will chrome her on over 6%. Obi sorry, I'll see your bank near media name ma resign. BGS Group Media. Media. Sa company in the media. If you don't know, I'm telling you today. Me say, Sammy, president, I may declare me asset to TV show. Because Ghana, I'm rather see and declare assets. No, yes, we throw you are Tariano, Nafa Koma, controller, accountant general, or auditor general. I don't even want to know. Nemo Mobia and Biano that. Now you the padlock at Kukro 80. Sir. Dr. Time da so ne Abraham or dai ba ko Kumasi a no wa tro ba ko Ohwim no wa tro ba ko Kenya ase no wa tro ba ko ha no wa tro ba ko ha no wa tro ba ko akeka ho owie a ne yatare ano ye se ye de ko amembia no eti obetime sisi sa dan ni na ntem politician bia e ba ba mu a odibiri kesi adan tentem eti obekwa akote ano no na ehwem mimi to emi na yetre Duase 4 bedrooms. Kobi to when you ntimi atua na me de sika de aka ama no me ya mesa ton. Obi tim free. Banka sim de me ye me wie enkran me wie. Yey. Chapoli. Ba ko me wie de aka me wie. Ya ka de ya complete. It is a fear nine aquabrani yet to see where now we are. Yet to say, hey, Aquano Bobrao, Ubobrabe. Foul pay slip a better. Nay, finally, cause time that's waba. And say, Your Excellency, the President of the Republic, President who fa wadwin ye adwuma chen de okono wunim nyansa John wunim nyansa too much obia be dia dance okrom ha say for the very first time in the Fourth Republic amemwore ni adane eyentem dodo for anybody to congratulate you me mo abaso sesi a you know me wa wunim say dem te Bagana for be dia dance pa ade no ni adane kakra wutim say obi oye mampani di buo ahobrase nimdie ni nyansa etoto de nobody can take that away from you, John. This is a fact. Nanado krat ni dem or share the way I will see ya the anything and Nanado say I was then if you look at what the Mahama is doing, then I was fooling around as a president. For that matter, I want all my policies to stay in this country for accountability. John, they are now who yeninti. Ugusu yes, and a man and who say no one casano. Now we didn't say hunu. It was say, hey, dear John Mahama yenti. Ubia me ma opposition krom ha menwane tena krom ha. Because the way a John edi anidie obuo ahobrase nimdie eni nyansa etoto de ama no saa na ye hwehwe me yam won abasumfo no no eniti amen people for won adwiri won asa ntase acheyen eniti no obia hu se kro ni mu no ye wo mampani papa eti John dey hear say in the say Ghana for your Japadi akodi nkrofo nsem gia de man enye ye inviting to NIB no wakoda ko NIB bra wo kwa aka ho kakra ka ye chief Professor Christopher Meyekunfi no we di 24 hours or abronye ko ye 48 hours se sell there da ye ma ye chi me no no so hu se ho so akono no bi adam kakra me ka se me dem nti chinchina so bi adam o me de ka sam keke mo ani age. And again, why you careful? Obeka said here. Afenyo Markins, yes, there can be some excesses. I agree. But my share this is we have the most weakest majority in the Fourth Republic. Me, I'm a politician. Me catch up plane, and this majority there we are weak. They are weak in strategy. And they're weak in thinking. They can think. But they are weak in strategy. And this majority of OCCA may kind of play natural, led by Mahama Yarga. You guys are weak in strategy. Again, you are weak in implementing your strategy, if there is a strategy. Watch this. Afenyo Markins are adopting Bob Marley Nyumbi. If you are a big tree, minimum 2 years, we are the small axe, ready to cut you down. What is animal? What is animal? Or say, if you are a big tree, we are the very small axe. We are ready to cut you down. That is the strategy of the minority. And so what's your channel one? Tiasia. What do you say as Afenyo Markins or Jenna Homina? I am telling you, the guy has learned through the ranks. When you idea no person yenra or say a whole nominee for deputy attorney on sorry non sagbaja. Once I want to say, it's one of the most sensible, smartest political move. What happened? Tama JH Mensa, ya minority leader. No more vetting ET Mensa. What happened? Go and watch the tapes. Sometimes, I wonder, Niyama said that, you dream Niyama hu. Afenyo Markins may have some excesses. I agree. But watch this. What adopted strategy? On him say they are nano minority. So he needs to sharpen his axe so that in any passing minute of our political discussion, his name will be mentioned. Anytime you mention Afenyo Markins, you have mentioned the MPP. If you don't know, I'm telling you. Anytime you mention the name Afenyo, it's MPP. And this thing is psychologically working on the brains of all ours. Because the boy's name is Afenyo Markins. Ubehuane say, former Tema MP, a friend say, Abraham Osedu. One, ni team ni na eye plan. Se munya hu se me de me pen. wa ye ba vetting nti me ye Abraham Osedu antaru ati yanim ena ye ba vetting no santaru hwamia no hu say me yi me pen say me dey abo table no so 1 na ma turn ko right 1 na ma turn ko left santaru don't answer the question. Mopa mon kofa sa videos no sa tapes no yen orchestrate yen I was a little boy. NDC appointment committees no they don't have a strategy. So you people should stop say if Afenyo Markins have devised a strategy, he will implement his strategy whether you think it's good or bad. He will implement his strategy. What is the counter strategy of the NDC? Our majority. Because in politics, there's nothing like a foolish statement or a foolish action. In politics, everything makes sense. So we need to catch it on about public domain now, and I won't say here, but in politics, every single goddamn action makes sense to the politician. I think by now, there's a plan. Says Afenyo Markins, every question. Now majority them percent nominee no be answer sa question now. Afenyo Markins every question. Now say majority no percent nominee no be answer. By now, anka majority chief whip, Honorable Dafiamakpo, any chairman of the committee, they have a plan, a strategy that watch Dafiamakpo. Don't look at me as the chair. When we said Dafiamakpo, Apejan and Sase or Peso can be there. Look at him carefully. When he turns to the left, it means that do not answer. So there will not be anything like being rude, being whimsical, or being capricious. Or Honorable Afenyo Markins and so be disrespectful. It will not happen. Afenyo Markins may not know because the NDC majority on the appointment committee, they don't know his strategy. I sit back and I can tell Afenyo Markins' strategy. Look, which time says I met me after Mahama Bekwa State of the Nation's address in there. The Afenyo Markins may our appointment committee. Upa Brian Twitcher, make a show in secret, record it to her. You are channel Pamikamo. So therefore, Uncle Ken say, Sorena Sagbajano. There's a strategy. So the nominee will tell you, oh, Honorable Minority Leader, Mr. Chair, I really appreciate it, but I am not very good in dancing Agbaja. The little I can do is this. So what's no I say. We answer question. No. Answer. What's that? So NDC majority, you guys lack strategy. If there's no politician advising the majority, come for consultation proper. And you want to push people against Afenyo Markins. It will not wash. Do you know why? He has already taken the lead. In politics, when someone takes the lead, no matter what you do, you can't get him. He's already in the lead. Sankosha Siena na most strategizing here. Kamukana no edro. But now Afenyo has taken the lead. So what you have to do is to stop him in the middle of the race so he cannot go far. That is what I called proper political strategy. What I want to know? What about Sammy? NDC majority now more parliament. You guys are weak. Me, I'm telling you. You are weak in strategy. And you are weak in implementing your strategy if there's any. Because Ghana Fasha say Kase. Papa and your friends say I hear more. So you're weak or you're weak. You think Ghana for now you parliament or no? You think we don't have eyes to see? You guys are weak. Look, the other Cape Coast MP now taking over, I think a day or two. No? Rickard Hagen. He came with a strategy. Afenyo Markins was actually not comfortable with Rickard Hagen's plan and strategy. So Afenyo Markins could not do his small axe plan. He couldn't execute it. Because Rickard Kweku did not come in with any He also came with a plan, with a strategy to contain the small axe. So the small axe got lost. It is how realizing here, Edu baby na Afenyo Markins on mantem. Otuikura jatum sa long. Edu baby one of the appointees to can say yenyen ntemi yenko na Afenyo Markins amba. You remember? So have a strategy. Don't portray yourself to the world that you are weak. Because you think you have the numbers, you go to the floor of the house, vote, and then you pass the people. That's not it. We know, say you have the majority, overwhelming majority. We are aware. And we know. But you can have one American seal. One American seal, say, Otisi Vietnam. One person can deal with 500 Vietnamese soldiers. So it is not about the quantity. We are not talking about the number. We are looking at how quality the things you were doing. And here can was I mean, somebody should devise a strategy. I mean, the guy is asking questions. Afenyo Markins will not stop asking. Afenyo Markins is the oil and honestly. Afenyo, don't stop. Excess is nearby. You can was say, "Oh, Afenyo, wait there. Why you atraso?" You can was but Afenyo jai the oil na. Hey. One by forever and ever. And I told you right from the beginning of the show, say in politics, everything and anything makes sense. In politics, so we need to catch on there. Anything and everything makes sense. It is up to you sitting back to either find or come out with a plan or a strategy to make the sense-making strategy a useless one. And the NDC are more parliament. You are gradually, and you have succeeded telling us, say, we are weak. Because I could not see any plan, there's no strategy, there's nothing. And once I'm Afenyo Markins will say questions, now my Getrude. Son obey no. Somebody am so obey Jaya. Martin, Afenyo will not stop. So Afenyo so Jaya de oil and so. Ye mu bi so be question no. Yes. Ye de Sam George call no. As I so obisa the questions about communication. Me am betena ha kan. Say ye kwa enu mu kakra. And how he's doing his things, you know. Once Afenyo movie, we're changing gear, no. Won't realize it yet. Or the Sam George, all the dirty things he wanted to do, so now he's bringing into the fold what I call political classical comedy. That is what Afenyo Markins say. Classical political comedy. And Afenyo Markins, and so what follow practical politics are. You would understand Afenyo Markins, you need somebody who understands politics at that level to also come out with a strategy to meet him squarely. And when you kayo, I said, there be no nya fabe also. And when you kayo, mean stop you be not ya wasanchi. Sign. And then kayo, and your father also, and a more year. Yet, say, Anka onubu says our question no say papa and sorry Sagbajano. I've told you, Afenyo Markins will not stop. And so Wakache J. Kufo Sayo Kasa on Kasa Temtem. What are you talking about? Kufo Kasa or Juna 7 who 15 times. And so we another word about that's J. Kufo for you. Kufo in your basanyo. You see? Ghana. Not here. So it's like asking J. Kufo, so on Kasa to say Captain Smart. Say J. Kufo on Kasa to say Kwame Nkrumah. It is not possible. So what do you have to do? We are MC with J. Kufo People's Assembly as here. Any question would 10 people, boom, so maybe some question, Kufo answer 10 questions. You made 17 hours. And so you call People's Assembly. Time na former Fantiman MP. Asama Boateng information minister na. Yaje first 3 year, ni amaje answer. Yaje 3 year, ni amana answer. Enti Kufo musada de yaje 3 yaje 5 na yenye ntem ne yenko. Enti ye yusu yenye strategy to push him to answer the questions no and tempt him. Said about People's Assembly because on one kasa kura no otna se chebebre it is not good for his health as a president. Also Osunwa. So we realize that the way that the answer questions no say kasa ye jane sa obe answer sa obe che. Because I remember you call BBC bako one question for almost 15 minutes. No answer half. No person answer so. So ye handle no ye responsibility to devise a strategy. Then, as some about to say, I don't know what you have for the Basi Basa. Kojo, Wunjade, Yanfani Basi Basa. Ulmanu Hudoy Basi Basan Temtema. Obama Yads and Intem. And then that was it. Kufo answered everything. That was the People's Assembly. Papa Bika said, oh no, I made them in Pepe. One mama upon Chimam Kayen. What I saw People's Assembly, no? I kept coached. I was there. Yes. I mean, me Papa Ponche. Oma Ponchimam Kayen. That was it. And you see, so you need, when somebody is adopting classical political comedy, what's the you may think that he's making noise. You don't know. You need a strategy. So, as by now, more na modie NDC4, mo nominees. Say him say Afenyo Markins beba. Echina Afenyo beba. And he say obisa question. Na ye mpese wo be answer. There's no need. You can overrule some of the questions, but some of them must be done with strategy, so that nobody will see even that the chairman overruled the question. Yes, some you can overrule in public. I can make us say, "Unya who say me fa me pen no." Na madane meni ahwa Afenyo Markins na nkasa obusa question na meni ye dem so me dey aboho baako. Na me dey aboho mi du a. The chairman say question no, don't answer. When I say don't answer, don't say that, Mr. Chair, I will not answer the question. No, you can't do that. There's a very proper diplomatic manner of refusing to answer certain questions. Mr. Chair, with all due respect to the Honorable Minority Leader, I really do not have the answer here. I promise that I will make the answer available to the committee. Yes, Sir Agbaja. Chairman, I yes strategy. I'm who say you can say sorry, sir Agbaja. Mr. Chair, I'm sorry, I'm not very good in dancing, and I would like to say that I don't know how to dance Agbaja. If the Honorable Minority Leader can actually teach me how to dance, I will follow suit. Now I'll So when somebody is adopting classical political comedy, yenchewo book mu, yenchewo University of Ghana. If you don't know, I'm telling you, unye bibia will show political science. No, there's nowhere they teach classical political comedy. And it's a serious strategy. That is what Afenyo Markins is adopting now. Where we your friend is saying, Sam George, no kuja to only now all my deputies and he's adopting this strategy. So the NDC majority in parliament, you guys should set up no munjai some weak attitude near approach na more.
You waiting for Winnie reporter Abeto Yepuno so Mikao says so when you subscribe to channel area Bomodi say obe subscribe. Now feel so while like give us a thumbs up. Now feel share my or for so now when you be here now and somewhere else so I will gather be more. Also bit me otchere wondering a fire and some way you know who I will comment box in mo mobati binkabu in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.